Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download Netflix on your laptop. Now the process is very simple. So firstly, I'll be showing you two ways. So the first way is just simply go to your Microsoft Store in your Windows. Now just simply wait for a few seconds for it to load. Then just simply search for Netflix over here. Then choose the first application shown to you. Now over here, just simply click on the install option that will appear right over here. For me, it is open because I already have Netflix in my device. Now, if you don't want this path, you can always go to the browser option. So I'm going to show you how to install it from the browser as well. So just simply choose any browser you want. So let's say in this case, Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just simply open Netflix website over here. So open the first link. Now complete the login process and log into your Netflix account. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the three dots over here. Click on more tools. Now just simply click on create shortcut. Now name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name it Netflix over here. Now just simply choose open as Windows. Then click on create. Now it should create a pop-up window just like that over here. And now if you go back to your desktop, you will be able to see a Netflix icon have appeared on your desktop as well. So now all you have to do is double click on that and Netflix will directly start running in your laptop. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.